What's up, guys?
What's going on, guys?
Can you see behind me? We're back at work.
Yeah,
And pretty much, man, we've been getting a lot done. So we're just gonna show you what we've done so far with the build on the Vert, you know.
Yeah, we've been cranking this thing out for the past couple of days. You guys can see this end. That's the fuel line.
That's the fuel line. We literally just made one end just like a few minutes ago. So we're gonna connect this end to the fuel hat, and then we're gonna see how long it is to reach to the fuel regulator that's sitting right here, and then we're gonna cut it, make the next end. So pretty much, man, yeah, things been going good. We've been busy doing different things too, but things been going good. We have the downpipe's done, the mid pipe's done. So the only thing we got to do is just make a section for the back, and then run the fuel lines. And what else is left with the battery?
The battery's pretty much done. It just needs the drill a hole in the where the spare tire was.
Yeah.
And
Not
push the
much.
cables through there, and then that's it for the battery.
And
Pretty
then
much the whole front end of the car is done. We could literally put the lights back in the car, all that
Yeah.
stuff, you know. But we're just gonna wait until pretty much we get everything squared away. Then
Yeah,
we're gonna
because-
just do one final assembly.
Right. This
to the
is
car.
like the easier part right here. I know you guys probably looking at it, be like, oh, there's nothing done, but literally, man, this is the easiest part right here. You know, this only gonna take like few minutes to put the front back on. The only part that's really left that's gonna probably take like a few hours or whatever is just the back end of the muffler. And once we get that, then this thing will be ready to fire up. So yeah, man, like I said,
You guys can see intercooler is in here already. Remember, it's the exact same car as that one, so everything should just go. The front, well, not the exact same car. The front end is the same, so all the piping and stuff fits the same. Remember, the wastegate's gonna come over here. You guys can see the down pipe is fully done, all welded up and stuff. We just gotta bleed the clutch. So we're leaving this side of the intercooler pipe off for now. So we're gonna bleed the clutch, and then we're gonna put that in.
and then on this side, once we get the fuel lines to the right length, then we'll put in this side of the intercooler piping, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Pretty much just put the light back in the bumper, and that's it.
Look underneath. The mid pipe basically. We got the mid pipe pretty much welded up. You guys can see flex pipe is in there. So all we gotta do is just make the section that goes around the tank and out the back into the dual exit. So this thing, you can see the battery cable. We strapped it up underneath the car. It's the exact same thing that's done on Red Fury. So come around here. Look on the inside. We did have to cut the body of the car, which I don't really care. So we cut that to get access, because the bulkheads, when the fittings go on here, they sit a little high, and this is so much easier than dropping the tank every time if we gotta mess with the fuel pump or anything. So all we gotta do is just fold this back over, and if we ever gotta change a fuel pump or anything, it's right here. We don't gotta exactly do much to get to it.
It's alright, man. Like we said earlier, we just had to get the fuel lines done, get the intercooler piping. Put in the intercooler pipings. So that's what we've been doing. And if you can see, we pretty much have these tightened down. That's because it's done. He's good. He's gonna show you under the car.
Fuel filter right there. The lines go up. We just gotta strap them up to the body of the car, and that's it. Come on. The regulator, all the fittings are tightened. So that's about it.
And we got one side of the intercooler piping already put in, but we're gonna leave this side out. Only reason why, we still gotta bleed the clutch, and you know that's just gonna make it easier to leave the pipe out, because it's not even hard to go in or anything. So yeah, the only thing we probably gotta do now is get the battery situation situated and finish the muffler. And that will be it, pretty much. Get this strapped up here. Yeah, man. It's almost in the home stretch. It's looking good. Alright, man. So as y'all can see, it's dark outside now, but we did manage to get like the whole front section done. I would say the only thing we gotta do right now for the front is just put in the lights and put on the bumper and just plug up whatever sensors, and that's pretty much it, man.
Yeah. We got pretty much everything done on the front section, as he said.
Yep.
The wastegates are in there. Intercooler pipe and everything is in there.
Yeah.
Only thing that left, the lights need to get put in and then put on the bumper. Other than that, ain't much left to it. It's probably
Muffler.
the exhaust is left to
And
finish
then
up.
we still gotta run we gotta finish up the fuel system. Not like
That's
the
pretty
lines,
much
but
done.
Yeah.
They just need to get strapped to the body of the car.
So far it's I'll say it's probably 85%, 90% done.
If you guys look over here real quick to see all this stuff we got done. See the wastegates are in there. Both wastegates are in there. You guys can see it. The intercooler piping, charge pipe, whatever you want to call it. In there. So. Fuel regulator, fuel lines. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna close this one out right here.
As usual, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the upcoming
Videos.
Yeah, next video probably. Maybe we'll eventually have this thing running, but
Yeah, we're close to starting. We'll definitely, try to knock out the rest of the fuel stuff, the wiring, and the exhaust, and
yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's
just
pretty
to
much
wire up
it.
the fuel pump,
yeah,
pretty much. But other than that, we're hitting the home stretch on this one.
Yep, man.
So
peace
as usual,
out.
Peace out, guys. Catch you in the next one.